Alright, we're going to make some bird treats with some big oranges, some peanut butter, some bird seed. You'll need a mixing container, a knife, scissors, spoon. I got twine here. So what we're going to first do is cut these oranges in half and dig them out. Okay, so we have them all hollowed out. Anthony's putting in the little holes for these, for the twine, so you can hang them up. And then we're going to make this mixture of peanut butter and this here birdseed. And I'm going to take my creamy peanut butter, I'm going to smear it all on the walls of the cut up oranges. Alright, my peanut butter and birdseed mixture is made. Anthony's going to start filling the bowls. And that's what it looks like when you just have the bowls outlined. Alright, and they are all full. And they'll look like this when they hang. So that they can come and eat some nutritious bird snacks. Alright, so we hung them up right there on the trees, and we did on the fence there, and we're just waiting for the birds to come.